Hey, I'm Bill Pounds, and I make AI easy to learn, easy to use, and easy to apply. Let's clear up some myths that keep business owners stuck. The first myth is that AI is too expensive. That's false. It's actually a value multiplier. It delivers more output, more speed, and more consistency, which frees up time and resources for you and for your team. Myth number two is I'm just not that techy enough. The truth is, if you can send an email or type on a keyboard or even use speech to text, you can use AI. Myth number three is that AI replaces people. And I definitely understand this concern. AI replaces tasks, not good humans. It actually makes good humans better. So don't let these myths keep you and your business in the slow lane. Get educated, then get moving. If you want AI made simple, I got you. Follow me for more helpful tips and resources. Let's hit the next video.